Over a period of, say, 2, maybe 3 years, is it possible to make $100,000 self-publishing by using platforms like Amazon KDP and IngramSpark? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some evidence of how that is going to be possible for you, but there are obviously some things that need to go right, and there's a lot of effort that needs to be made to ensure that you can make the right books, target the right audience, and sell across the globe. So let me get into the video now. Hello, and I'm Romney. Thank you very much for joining me on my YouTube channel. If you haven't been to this channel before, make sure you check out my previous videos, and that will help you to scale your self-publishing business. Now in this video, I want to talk further about the possibilities that you have to earn a significant income with self-publishing. Now there's a lot of different ways you can earn your income through self-publishing, but one of the key areas that I've found with significantly increasing my income through self-publishing has been not to just focus on one platform. Focusing on one platform, for example, Amazon KDP, you tend to put all your eggs into one basket. What I've found over the past 2.5 years is that it's been much more beneficial to spread my books, and I guess my risk as well, across multiple platforms to help with generating different forms of passive income. See, back in 2019 or early 2020, when I started my self-publishing journey, I really wasn't gaining much traction. I was spending a fair bit on Amazon ads. I sold one book maybe in the first 3 months of publishing with Amazon KDP. And then I came across another platform called IngramSpark, who I then started to self-publish books on. Now that came about because I wasn't selling many books on Amazon KDP, but over the journey of my first year with Amazon, I was able to generate some significant revenue and sell quite a few books. And if you want to check that video out, just make sure you check out the link below and I'll provide that video. So what is the chance that you can make 100,000 in publishing? Well, there's every chance. However, what you need to do is make sure you have a focus on what it is you need to achieve. Earning $100,000 in publishing is quite an achievement because a lot of things need to go right for you to be able to get there. You need to have books that are going to be selling in particular niches that are doing well. And as I mentioned, the platform of Amazon shouldn't be your only location for publishing. So what I'm going to do now is actually show you my dashboard for IngramSpark and to show you how close I am now to achieving the $100,000. That's over the journey of my time on IngramSpark. Remember, that started in early January 2020, but you can't expect to be generating significant income in your first year, even your second year. You just need to take the time to build on those platforms, build your audience, and also build a good customer base. So let me show you the platform, my dashboard of Ingram, and I'm going to show you how close I am to getting that $100,000 for that platform, and therefore you can see that just that platform alone is able to generate significant income, and it's something that you really, really should look into. So let me show you that now. So I'm just going to log into my IngramSpark account and get into this, and there's actually a new reports tab that I'm going to be utilizing. Now I will create another tutorial about the new reports, but let me just go into that now. So what I need to do now is go down to compensation, and I'm going to go to lifetime payment. So you can see the net sales down here. At the moment, this is in Australian dollars, $100,992.15. There's a print charge, but my net publisher compensation is actually $42,000. Now, that's achievable, $100,000 in net sales. Now remember, that's in Australian dollars. So if I was going to convert that right now, it's approximately 70,000 US dollars. So that's been achieved over what we call the lifetime, which has been since January 2020. So yes, I am getting very close. If you're talking US dollars, in Australian dollars, I've already achieved that $100,000 net sales, and then you get your publisher compensation. So that, for me, has been a fantastic achievement, given it's only one platform I publish on, and I've still got other platforms that I also place my books onto. So IngramSpark is just one of many different platforms that I publish my books on. The others include Amazon KDP, there's also Draft2Digital, there's even audio books that I have through Findaway Voices, plus a number of others. So as you can see, the key to being able to achieve the $100,000 is to make sure you diversify your publishing. Just don't publish on the one platform. You have the opportunity to publish wide, and that's where it's important that you look into other platforms, not just Amazon KDP, not just like Draft2Digital, but ones like IngramSpark. Now, I've been going on about IngramSpark a lot because I just don't think there's many people that take advantage of it. In fact, right now you can do 3 free uploads up until the 31st of August 2022 by using a code, and I'll provide that code in the description below. So make sure you take advantage of that. There's other ways you can bypass the code by being a member of the Alliance of Independent Authors. Again, I'll provide that link below. So I want you to have confidence that earning $100,000 in self-publishing is achievable. You may not achieve it in year 1, year 2, year 3, even year 5, but collectively, if you make sure that you spread your publishing, you publish on different platforms, it is achievable. And I've been able to achieve that, and it has been through a lot of hard work, getting to create books in the right niches, working hard on marketing and not just Amazon advertising, because that can get expensive. I do other things such as communicating out to my subscribers, giving away free courses, giving away free literature. All these sort of things help drive different customers, and they see the quality in your books. Now, if you're interested in publishing wider and not just Amazon KDP, there's a course I've created about publishing with IngramSpark, and you can check that course out. Just follow the links below, and there could be an amazing opportunity for you to diversify your income, grow your passive income, and hopefully achieve that $100,000 publishing mark. Now, of course, there's going to be people that are really struggling, and I can appreciate that, and I understand that there are challenges involved with self-publishing. As I mentioned, my first 6 months self-publishing was a bit of a disaster, and it wasn't through lack of effort, it was through actually pinpointing the right books in the right niches and then broadening my income streams and not just having the one income stream. So hopefully this information helps you. I do want to encourage you to keep pushing through. Make sure that you watch the right videos, take on the right courses, learn as much as you can, apply the information, and don't be afraid of making mistakes, because I've made plenty of mistakes. I continue to make plenty of mistakes, but it's through those mistakes that I've learned the most, and that I've been able to continue to drive my income and grow the publishing business. So thank you. If you've liked this video, make sure you subscribe, and I look forward to providing more content for you in my next video.